Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall find the Fourier series of this function. You can see that the function has some discontinuity. It is x square in the range of 0 to pi, and in the range of minus pi to 0 it is minus x square. So I shall obtain the Fourier series of the function. As we know that fx we can write like this, like this. Here in this case a0 would be 1 by pi. There will be two integrations. So first one would be minus x square dx, and the limit is minus pi to 0, so x square dx, and the second one would be this one. So if we perform the integration, what will we get? Let's see. It would be 0 actually. So first term is 0, then 1 by pi minus of pi cube by 3, and then the minus sign would be there, minus, and this would be pi cube by 3, so it is 0. Now let's find an. An would be the sum of the two integrations. So one would be minus pi to pi 0 x square cos of nx, and the second one would be 0 to pi x square cos nx dx. So we will resort the shortcut method for evaluating the integration. So let's write d and I, plus minus plus and minus. So x square is here and cos of nx is here, and first derivative of x square is 2x, and integration of cos nx is sin nx by n. Then again we will get the derivative of 2x, that would produce 2, and derivative of 2 will produce 0. So integration of sin nx by n will produce minus cos nx by n square, and integration of minus cos nx n square would produce minus sin nx by n cube. So the integration value will be like this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this. I have shown this process in my previous videos, so if you don't know, you can check the videos also. So let's write x square sin nx by n plus 2x cos nx by n square minus 2 sin nx by n cube, plus, and the limit is minus pi to 0, and the second one would be also like x square sin nx by n plus 2 x cos nx by n square minus 2 sin nx by n cube 0 to pi equal to 1 by pi. For 0 the terms will be 0 here. So let's go for minus pi. So sine n pi and sine minus n pi both are 0, so we will not have to bother about that. So what we have to do is minus of minus 2 pi cos n pi, and cos minus x is cos x, so I am writing it here in square, and ultimately we are getting uh, so, so here would be the sign should be positive sign, so be careful while you are performing the integration. I often do some mistake, and sorry for that. So ultimately I am seeing that an is 0, so I am finding an is 0. Now let's find bn, which is equal to 1 by pi minus x square, the limit would be minus pi to 0, x square sine of nx dx plus 0 to pi x square sine nx dx. Again I shall resort the technique d I plus minus plus minus, so x square sine nx, first derivative 2x minus cos nx by n, 2 minus cos nx by n square, 0 minus sine of nx by n square, and again it would be cos nx by n cube. So let's write it minus x square cos nx by n plus 2x sine nx by n square plus 2 cos nx by n cube plus limit is minus pi to 0, and the integration value I am writing here minus x square cos nx by n plus 2x sine nx by n square plus 2 cos nx by n cube, and the limit is 0 to pi. Now let's get the value. So 1 by pi x square cos n x by n minus 2x sine nx by n square minus 2 cos nx by n cube, 0 minus pi to 0, and it would be minus x square cos nx by n plus 2x sine nx by n square plus 2 cos nx by n cube, 0 to pi. Zero 0 0, for 0 we will only get 2 by n cube from this term, and for minus pi we will have pi square cos n pi by n, sine term will produce 0, and we will have minus that would produce 2 cos n pi by n cube. Now from this we are getting minus pi square cos n pi by n, and sin n pi will produce 0, and here it would be 2 cos n pi by n cube, and for 0 we are getting 2 by n cube. So ultimately it is producing minus 4 by n cube plus 4 minus 1 whole to the power n by n cube minus 2 pi square minus 1 whole to the power n by n. Hence B1 is equal to 1 by pi let's take pi 1 by pi inside, so we will ultimately get for b n equal to 1, that would be minus 8 by pi, and it would be also plus 2 pi. Now b2 would be, for n equal to 2, the first two terms will cancel out and we will only get minus pi. b3 would be minus 4 by 27, that is 3 cube, minus 4 by 27, and it would be plus of 2 pi square by 3. So it is ultimately minus 8 by 27 pi, and the pi will be 2 pi by 3. So if we take 2 by 3 out, then we will get pi minus 4 by 9 pi, and b4 would be minus pi by 2. Hence fx would equal to 0 plus 0, only sign terms will be there, so 2 pi minus 4 by pi sin x minus pi sin 2x plus 2 by 3 pi minus 4 by 9 pi sin 3x minus pi by 2 sin 4x, and so on. So it is the Fourier series for our function. So hope you have understood the problem, and you can solve such problems yourself also. If you have liked the video, please click on the thumbs up button, and make sure you share this video with your friends, so that they also can be benefited from this, and please also do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.